but the cows not nice, no. The pasture turn battlefield. Let me tell you about the ordeal. Me dey on the farm just minding my way, picking some mango for brighten my day. But out and nowhere, me hear a stampede. Cows a come for me with furious speed. Run me run, but them come closer. Horn them sharp like a rasta dosa. Tree in the distance, me make a quick leap, and up in the branches, me have to take keep. Up in the tree, them cows now leave. 2 days pass, me I beg for reprieve. Them stare up at me like my teeth, them cheese. Oh, Jah rescue me from the bovine seed. Night time come, the moon a shine bright. My belly a rumble, but me can't fight. Them cows down below just a wait and a stare. Me swear me saw one cow braid in ear. Birds them a sing and me dep on eye, but me want touch ground and say goodbye. A clever plan, me start fi devise. Me grab some coconuts for me own device. Up in the tree, them cows now leave. 2 days pass, me I beg for reprieve. Them stare up at me like my teeth, them cheese. Oh, Jah rescue me from the bovine seed. Me hear a strange sound. A farmer with rope a come feed the cows around. Them start fi scatter, me say Jah bless your hand. Me climb down quick, me touch me land. Now me free, but me nah go forget the day the cows put me life on the fret. Me sing this tune so you all will agree. When cows start chase, find a tall tree. Up in the tree, them cows nah leave. 2 days pass, me I beg for reprieve. Them stare up at me like my teeth, them cheese. Oh, Jah rescue me from the bovine seed. Moo Moo Vibes, me say Moo Moo Vibes. Careful pon the farm, cows nah play nice. Careful pon the farm, cows nah play nice. Careful pon the farm, cows nah play nice.